think of? What image comes to mind? What definition? What word comes to mind when you think of toxic? Gossiping. Good. What else? Friction. Micromanaging. Negative. What else did I hear? Discrimination. Frustration. All right. Disrespect. Somebody say high roller? Eye rolling. Oh, like whole body language kinds of things coming to mind. Yeah, it's an interesting picture like that we have in mind when we think of the toxicity around us. All right, so I'm going to skip over that. We are going to be talking about how do you act rather than react in many of these situations. And for me, it's kind of like a big puzzle. And all the people in this puzzle, all the people that we work with, that we work for, that we live with sometimes, they all are part of this big puzzle, and we need to fit appropriately. So we're going to talk about this. What do I know? As leaders, I know that many of us struggle, and we struggle for a number of different reasons. I think we struggle. How many of you just don't have time to deal with all of the people issues? You've got too much to do, not enough time to do it in, and this is just one more thing on that list of things, and it kind of goes to the bottom, right? It's the least desirable thing for us to be working on. How many of you get frustrated because people just don't know how to get along? You wish that they would smarten up, grow up, do the right thing. Yeah. Sometimes that plays into it as well. And then I think sometimes, how do we get to the root cause? Any of you been working in a situation in which you're having a disagreement or a conflict, something's going on, and all of a sudden something from the last 5 years comes back into the mix? You're like, I thought we dealt with this already. And because sometimes we don't know, we don't get to the root cause, so these things keep coming back over and over again.